Hi, welcome to an introductory set of videos on the updates to the Balboa Worldwide app, or BWA app. In this video, we're going to show you a few things that are new and many things that are old. Just a high-level summary. The BWA app for iOS has been updated. The newest version is on the App Store. It's version 4.0 or later. It's important that you make sure you've got 4.0 or later on your iPhone. Download it. Android is following on soon. We're almost done with that, but Android will follow on very quickly. Once you fire up the app, you'll see some new things. This screen right here shows a new menu that pops up for connection to the spa, demo mode, and account setup. High-level summary is the local mode and direct mode when you're controlling your spa from within your home, whether you're directly connected to the spa or whether you're going through your home router, is exactly the same. There's no changes to it. But when you're in cloud mode, i.e. you're connected to the spa away from your home router, and going through whether it's cellular data or another Wi-Fi network you happen to be connected to with your phone or device, that has a new system with higher level security that you have to set up an account. So you'll need a login and a password. You'll need to create your own login and password, and you'll need to have that to be able to log into your spa. So this set of instructional videos will show you how to do it, and you'll see it's really easy. Thanks. So the first thing you want to do is go to your iOS device, and when the Android app is properly launched, your Android device, and go to the App Store. So we'll open up the App Store. You'll see what the App Store looks like here, and if you just enter the word Balboa, you'll see Balboa Water Group pop up, and right here you'll see the BWA app, Balboa Water Group BWA. If you have a BWA device on your hot tub, this is where you download the app. So I am going to stop right here and download this app. Okay, now that you've downloaded the BWA app, you can click on it, and you will see this menu pops up, and you have three options. One is connect to spa, one is demo mode, and one is account setup. For this video, we're going to show you demo mode. Demo mode allows you to do everything with the user interface that you would do when you're connected to your spa, but it's not actually connected to anything. So it's just showing you what the user interface looks like. Now that you want to go to direct mode, you've got to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network that is broadcast from your spa, and that broadcast to the Wi-Fi network comes from your BWA module, which is attached to your spa. So the first thing you want to do is go stand right next to your spa within a few feet or a few meters, and you will see if your spa is broadcasting, you'll see that it says BWG Spa 7 on this one, 6 digits, 71F4CC. Says that right in the middle. Okay, this is what your BWA module looks like. It will be most likely underneath one of the panels on the side of your spa, near your spa controller, most likely be hanging or screwed in up high. You want to find this module, and then there's a little magnet at the end here, the cord. You want to take that and line it up with the edge of this arrow right here and hold it there for 15 seconds. And if you hold it there for 15 seconds, it will self-reset and it will go into broadcast mode, and then it will be available for your phone to connect to. Okay, 15 seconds are up, and now I'm going to go back to my phone. connect your spa to the network, and you want to make sure you get a good check mark. And you also want to make sure that at the top it shows the Wi-Fi module symbol, at the top of your phone. And this indicates that your BWA module is actually connected to your phone. So we're going to wait for that here and wait for the little Wi-Fi symbol to show up on top. You'll see the Wi-Fi symbol appear on top next to T-Mobile. So at this point now we want to go and open up the app, and we'll connect to Spa, and you will see you're in direct mode. You know you're in direct mode when you see a little arrow pointing to the right, and then you see the Spa module name and the 6-digit code up top. And that was the same one that if you did reset your BWA module on your spa, you saw it on there. So what are you able to do here? We're able to control the temperature. In direct mode, we're able to control the pumps. It's good to check that you can control the pumps, and you can confirm it on your top side panel that you are able to successfully control, in this case, pump 1, light 1. You're able to press the center circle and see the set temperature versus the actual temperature. And then you're able to go in here and change ready and rest temperature, but you're not going to use your spa in direct mode. You're going to use it in local mode. Okay, I'm in direct mode, as you can see on the top right, and I want to connect my spa Wi-Fi onto the home router. Okay, once you do that, your spa will be indefinitely connected to your home router until your home router doesn't work or it's disconnected or for whatever reason. But if your home router is going to stay on all the time, your BWA Wi-Fi will stay connected to your home router. The way you do that is you go in direct mode, you go to Wi-Fi inside the settings menu, and you enter your SSID, which is the name of your network, and the key, which is your password. So I'm going to do that right here. And you can press done. Now, you press that little checkbox on the top right to enter it, but I just want to show you here there are different options, and it defaults to WPA. Most modern routers are going to be WPA, so it's really not something most of the time you'll have to mess with. If you have a very old router, it might use a different security type, but WPA is going to be the default for the vast majority of people. So I've set it to WPA, I've entered my home network name, my home network password. I'm going to press the little button on the top right. Now, what I want to do is go, you'll see this disappears in my Wi-Fi network, and I need to connect for local mode to the same network as my, which is Wise Tiger, in this case, in this example, as my BWA module. That allows me to go to local mode, and then I can go into my spa. There, you're in local mode, and this is how you'll use it whenever you're in and around your home. You just open the app and it should automatically connect in local mode. And you can see right here, you can control the lights, you can control the pumps. It automatically detects what pumps and lights are on your particular spa. You can press anywhere in the center circle here and it tells you the set temp versus the actual temp of the water. And I just changed my set temp to 86 Fahrenheit. If I want to go to Celsius, I can do that, and now it's in Celsius mode. If I want to change from ready to rest, high-low temperature range, change the time of day, I can change filter cycles. I can do all these things. I can change the time of day. I can even sync it to my phone and put it in 12 and 24 mode, and that will automatically change what's on your spa controller. Okay, we're going to show you how to set up an account. The best way to set up an account best time to set up an account is right after you've connected your spa BWA module to your Wi-Fi network. So you go, if you ever are stuck in there, you press the menu button, you press account setup, and you get an option to create an account or recover your ID. If you haven't created an account before, you won't be able to recover or reset your password. You want to go create an account. So you want to choose an account information here, and I'm going to write this down here. And I'm going to create a password that's very simple. Okay, and you'll see here your SPA ID is at the bottom. That was automatically downloaded when you connected via Direct Connect to your SPA BWA module. So, and it saved that in memory. You don't have to enter that information. So I just created a user ID. It can be anything you want it to be. Make it something you can remember. Make it a unique password, not password 1. I'm just going to create this password, and I'm going to erase this count later, so it won't really matter. And I'm going to write this down. Write down your username and password. That's important. And then enter next. Okay, I can't use tester1 because somebody else has already used that. So I am going to do tester1234 and password1234. Let me try that. Okay, that worked. It has to be a unique user ID and password. And I am going to enter just some information here for testing purposes. You want to put in information that you can remember. So I just entered some information here. But this is important. Put in information there that you can remember and press Create Account. So you've now created your account. So what you want to do is make sure that you're on a different network as the network that your SPA Wi-Fi is logged into, or you can just turn off Wi-Fi and go in through the telephone line, and this will work anywhere in the world. So I turned off Wi-Fi, and I'm going to go into the telephone line, and I'm going to go connect to SPA. Okay, it's going to search and say, is there a BWA module on my home network? And it actually remembered my login and password, my username and password, and it logged me in. Right now I'm going through the telephone cellular network, and I'm able to control my SPA the same as I was in direct mode through Wi-Fi. Now, let me close this out and open up the app again, and you'll see it will ask me for the username and password. So I'm going to enter my user ID, which was, and my password. And I'm going to log in. And there you go. You're in cloud mode. Okay. Let's say that I forgot my password. I remember my user ID, but I don't remember my password. So let me go and do account setup. Now, it says here, we discovered an associated SPA with the SPA ID. Would you like to erase this account? I don't want to erase the account. I want to recover my password. So I get two options, recover user ID or reset password. So I'm going to enter my user ID, and it was tester1234. And it allows me to enter my new password, that I desired new password. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just added another number on there. And then I have to answer all of these questions correctly to be able to reset my password. So it's important that you remember what this information is, because that allows you to reset your password. It's a security feature. My password has been reset. So let me go start over again. And I am going to now be able to log in through cloud mode with my new password, and I'm going to go tester1234, password 12345, log in. And I'm able to log in and do everything that I want to do to control the SPA in cloud mode. let's say I forgot both my user ID and my password, or I just forgot my user ID. I have no idea what it is. You can go in and try and recover it. So let's open up in cloud mode here, or any mode, and go to account setup. And it's going to say, you go to account setup and says, we discovered an associated spy. Do you want to erase this account? No, I don't want to erase this account. And I want to try and recover my user ID. So you have to go into your SPA and get the last 6 digits of the SPA ID, which is listed on your BWA module physically. This is a security measure that means you have to actually have physical access to the SPA, and a hacker can't get in. So it's going to be 71, and this is the one I've showed in all this videos, 4CC. And you press done. So then I got to go back and answer these questions. If you don't remember the questions, it's going to make it very difficult to get in. That's why you want to make the questions answers you can remember. For the last video, we're going to show you how to erase your account. This erases your user ID and your password that are associated with your SPA. That allows you to log into cloud mode. Why would you ever want to erase your account? Well, let's say you sold your SPA and you wanted to give it to somebody else. You should erase it so somebody else can use it and log in. Let's say you rent your house out and you want to be able to give access to somebody else. You can erase your account and allow them to set up their own account. So let's do that here. Try and access it and go to account setup, and it'll give you an option, and you say, we discovered an account associated with this SPA ID. Continue. So now I've got to be able to log in. I've got to know what my user ID and password are to erase them. Tester 1 2 3 4, and password 1 2 3 4 5. And I enter the login, and my account has been erased successfully. So now I do not have a cloud ID for this account anymore, and I have to create a new one, which you can do in the same process we did in the previous videos.